Pen, pen, pen. Come on, my pens. Welcome to the stream. We're back live at it again. Streaming every single day, no matter the circumstances. We are streaming every day. And we are in, for sure, price action hell. Look at this nonsense all day yesterday. Just ridiculous. Possible to trade. Very difficult, in my opinion. Anytime it's a trading range, it's very difficult. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Trading 20 Apex accounts. Remember, pandas, all you need to do is make $200 on average a day, and you are making $1 million a year. So here we go. $1 million a year. And you make $200 a day. Simple as that. Piece of cake. There is news at 10, pandas. ISM services. Either ISM services or manufacturing. This makes much difference, but let me check. Yeah, ISM manufacturing, PMI. A little under the weather. I don't know what it is, Panis. I do not know what it is. I'm feeling a little bit under the weather. Goodness gracious. Got those GMs in the chat. Whiskey Wednesday. I haven't done those in a while. Those were the good old days. Wilson here, good morning. Blue Steel, good morning. We should stop that like button. Market's about to open 1 minute. We're in micro. We're trading micros because the PA is absolute just booty. So we're gonna trade micros in order to appropriately trade these markets, choppy markets where you can buy low, sell high, scale in. Simple as that. Albert MO, welcome. Good morning. Welcome everybody. Drop those GMs in the chat, scalp that like button. We're about to get started here. We do have news at 10. Hopefully you guys took advantage of the Apex promo while it lasted. I don't think we have a promo anymore. What do we have right now? Absolutely nothing. It's probably 50% off. The default's 50% off. The default is 50% off. Market's about to open in 1 minute. Or 1 second. Markets are open. Starting off with a huge gap to the downside. The low of yesterday's right here. We're trading micros, pandas, don't forget. We're absolutely trading micros here. Wild. Good morning. Good morning, everyone, especially Peter. I'm not gonna lie. Like, Peter is such like a, I don't call it, such a, like, a non, very little self-aware, like, very, like, little self-awareness type of human being. But it's, like, fun to have these people in chat, you know? It's always fun to have these kind of people in chat because it's just amazing just what these people are capable of. Big push up. I guess we're just continuing the trading range that we've been in for a long, 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 long time. Big bull bar. Hmm. I'm just sitting on my pause here. I'm not sure what really is going to unfold here. It's a bit confusing to be honest. Big push up. Trying to fill the gap, I guess. Trying to fill the gap, I guess. Jeez. I'm gonna fill the gap, I guess, here. I mean, strong bull bar, but you're top of a trading range. I don't know. This is why, like days like today, I'm just expecting trading range until ISM services probably. Wait, ISM service or ISM manufacturing PMI. 10 o'clock news. Big push up, like huge push up. We're just waiting. Huge bull bar. Luis, welcome back. Good morning. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. It was a big bull bar. I mean, it's still a strong bull bar, but quite a big wick at the top of it. Like I wouldn't be surprised if we're stuck in the range of the first 5 minute bar until 10 o'clock. I just wouldn't be surprised. It's like actually long on the 500 tick chart. Interesting. Trading range after trading range after trading range, day after day after day after day. This is why we're trading micros, pandas. We're in micro hell until we get out of this PA hell. Once we start getting good price action again, then we'll jump back to the. You know what? Actually, I don't mind trading micros until I see a really good setup. Like sometimes you come across a setup, you're just like, I gotta go for this. You know, like you'll see it like every like once every 2 or 3 days. like a setup that's just like, whoa, I don't care. I need to try. Trade micros until then, so you keep getting trading days in. You know what I mean? We're gonna fill the gap here. There's a gap here in the regular trading hours. I mean, even if we do fill the gap, will we fill it in one move, one fell swoop? V1, congratulations. Just get out. Don't even watch the stream. Just enjoy the rest of your day. Jeez. Hmm. Short. Nah, I mean, again, it's hard to go short. Even though you feel like you're at the top of a trading range, it's hard to go short when you have a gap above. Because you got two like opposing forces. You got the gap to fill, but you also on top of you're near the top of a trading range. Two opposing forces here. Very difficult. At least for me. We could just be grinding or going sideways until 10. Remember, Panda, there's news at 10. Don't forget about it. It's still in the range of the first 5-minute candle. Oh. Why must you do this to me every single time? I do not know. Yep. Like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if we're stuck within the range of the first 5 minute candle until 10. And here's the range of the first 5 minute candle right here. That's the range. And if we close, I feel like we're going to keep closing within this range, like the 5 minute candles. Bobby C, longtime supporter. Appreciate it. Thanks for joining. Um, Absolute filthy price action, but you probably can get away with some trading range trading here. You probably can get away with a little bit of it, to be honest. Well, talk about worthless every single day. Let me just mark. Let me just mark. Let me see. What's a good tool to use here? Let's see. What about that? All right. Every rectangle I draw, it's just gonna be like, it's just gonna represent how terrible the price action is. Okay. Everywhere I draw, it's gonna represent like terrible price action. Every rectangle I draw here, it's just like untradeable price action. Everywhere I draw these triangles, and you can see like 90% of the chart is basically just untradeable, untradeable price action here. Look, I'm going back. All the triangle, all the rectangles are like untradeable price action, and it just shows how absolute trash price action has been for the last several months. Which is why we're trading micros, right? So the way I respond to that is trade micros. Might as well. Good way to practice your trading range price action. Like I said, you could probably get away with trading range price action by its buying down here. Probably could have gotten away with it. The three candles. Again, we're basically within the first 5 minute candles range, closing every single time. And like I said, most likely we'll stay in here until the 10 o'clock news. Making lower highs while we're finding some support at the bottoms here. Blame Trump. Does Trump have anything to do with this? Probably. Very hard trading conditions, in my opinion. How big are these retracements? 10 points. Like 20 points, you'd want at least 20. Or half the ATR, let's say 15. ATR right now is 32 points. I'm using a 14 period ATR. It's a typical ATR you use. Typical period. I just got the like button. We're just watching. We're gonna probably wait till news at 10. Like I said, we're gonna be within. I just wouldn't be surprised if we're within the range of the first 5 minute candle for the entirety until we hit the news. This trading range right here is the range of the first 5 minute candle, and we are stuck in it. We are actually stuck in it. We can't get out of it, and we won't probably be out of it until after 10. And the tricky thing is about trading range days is that within trading ranges, you create a lot of other trading ranges. We create like a lot of mini trading ranges. So, like for instance, we had this kind of big trading range later that you can see, but within it, we had this small trading range here. We had this trading range here. So, and like even this, like even this, you sell here, right? Like it seems silly, but you sell this high, you don't even care, you just sell it, and you actually make a nice scalp here. If you sell this high, you just hold it. Granted, you have to hold 20 points, but that's why you would trade micros. You just sell this high. If you bought this low here as well, you say you just bought this low, you scalped out. Minimum, you scalped at least 20 points here. It pushes down, you buy again, next reversal, and you come back, you make a trading range. So sick. Whoa! Big push down. Looks like the trading range. Looks like we feel comfortable moving throughout the first 5. Wow. I mean, did the news already drop or something? That is quite a strong move down. But as we are within the first 5 minute candles range, like big up, big down, the market can move suddenly. And that's the that's the thing that's like another marquee thing about trading ranges. They'll have strong bull legs and bear legs to make you think you're gonna start trending. But you don't. And then you get crushed. A huge move up. You're thinking second leg up. No second leg up given. Maybe just come right back down. Huge push down. Biggest candle yet. Jeez Louise. You would have to be a madman just to buy here. But madmen, the market is. Probably can't take a big mama because we're at the bottom of the trading range. If anything, you buy the bottom here. For a scalp at least. But one thing I am worried about is this huge bear bar ending near its low. Like, you would have to be a madman just to buy it, but that's what institutions are going to do. And they'll do it without reservation, knowing that they probably could buy more beneath, come up break even. So the a big push down. Second inch is short. I could try second inch is short here. It's a huge push down, but notice we're just in a trading range. Ah, it's such a strong push down. News about to drop in like, it'll drop in like 10 minutes. I think we have time for this. Risk is small. Let's try. Let's go for it. It's one of those rare trades that kind of things are working out together. Wow, bull bar. No, thank you. Bull bar ending on its high. In this trade. Small risk. Small risk. Should I reverse it? Nah. I don't want to reverse. I don't want to double my losses here. Such a small risk here. You should look for a new low, but I don't know if we're gonna get it. Second just short, come off the 20 minute, they're strong. Mega push down. Are we gonna get it? No clue. It doesn't look like it. Like if we're gonna get it, it should already move down, but we are like you can see signs that this is trying to push back up. We'll hold though. The risk was so small. We'll hold. Fortunate. Unfortunate. Just unfortunate. Super unfortunate. Do I try again one more time? Mm, now the risk is much bigger here. Fortunate. Hmm. Hmm. I'll try one more attempt to the downside here. Hopefully the risk is not too big. I don't know. Unfortunately, I have to take the whole risk here. The risk is kind of big, unfortunately. We lose, we lose. It's just the name of the game. It's the name of the game, pandas. This is such a strong push down. Second inch short and another attempt down. And it's just going completely sideways now. It's kaputs. The market's chopped. Hmm. You're thinking. You're thinking. New low here. You're thinking at least a new low here. Who knows though? Who knows? 14-point risk. Unfortunate, probably get knocked out here. It's just getting super choppy. It's like the market just cannot make a move. It just gets like it makes a huge move down, and then like it makes us such a strong move down, which is super amazing. And then just no follow through. It just absolutely no follow through. Just gets chopped up. I mean, big up, big down. I should have expected a reversal here, but it was just too tempting with Big Mama right beneath it. That is just look at this bear bar, no follow through whatsoever. Just you gotta be a madman. You gotta be a madman just go long right there, but that's what's happening. We're chilling. Down 488. Unfortunate. Super unfortunate. I should have just bought here, huh? I should have just bought. I should have just bought. Of course. Of course. Of course I should have just bought. What was I thinking? Of course I should have bought. Of course. Of course I should have bought the bottom trading range. Actually, it's very simple. It's almost too simple and it hurts. It just hurts to know that that is that simple. I mean, we're just chilling here. We're not gonna do anything here. They're right in the middle of the trading range. Just wait for news. Again, it's just another absolute like booty day. You get a huge push down. Such a strong push down. Actually, a nice push down. And then you get a nice second to short coming off the 20 MA. Just thinking you get a little more follow through. Absolutely no follow through on this huge push down. It's just like very. This is just marquee of a big trading range day. It's just another terrible trading range day. That's what the price action is indicating, at least. Um, time again. Here we go. It's just how it is, pandas. Those are the market conditions we're in. You gotta adapt. You gotta adapt. So close to triggering Big Mama as well. Like I was ready for this to make a new low, second to short, but instead we just want to like basically become completely booty. Just it gets super choppy here. Push up, gets super choppy again. It's actually so stupid. Whatever, man. It's like I'm down 48. It's whatever. I really don't care. Being down 488, it's like nothing. On that like high probability another push down, whatever. It's whatever. It is whatever. And the worst part is, Pandas, even if I took the reversal up, look at this trap reverses, it gets stopped out. So it's just like you get stopped out if I reversed it. So like I double my losses because I tried to go short twice. But if I went short and then long, I would have doubled my losses anyways. That's the worst part about this whole situation here. Even if you went long here, you get stopped out. It's just terrible. Terrible, 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 terrible. Big push back up, big up, big down, big up. Training range, probably go short somewhere up here. I don't know. I mean, you want a gap to fill again, so again, hard to go short right here until you get the gap fill. So probably wait for the gap fill. I don't know. Huge push down, absolutely no follow through. It's just like oh, day after day after day after day. It's getting that thinking at least a second leg down here, but you don't get it. It's just the name of the game, man. It's the name of the game. News about the drop, which is kind of what I kind of waited for anyways, but I mean the market tricked me. What can I say? It gave me this bear bottom. All right. I mean, I would be foolish to not try for another leg down. I'd be a little foolish, but obviously not. What is this nonsense? What is this absolute nonsense here? Mm, 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 What is this nonsense? I don't know what this is about, but whatever. News dropping, 10 o'clock. Be ready, Penis. Mm. News drop. Did absolutely nothing. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I just want to end the stream. I just want to end the stream. Like, if I start sensing price action like this, I just want to end the stream. I don't even want to trade this. I honestly don't want to trade this. I honestly just, to be honest, like, what is the point of this? Like, it is just so painful to trade. So incredibly painful to trade this nonsense. Yeah, there's nothing to trade here. This just has nothing to do. Man, I'm sorry. I mean, I'm sorry for being so frustrated. It's just like we're still within the 5 minute first 5 minute candles range. Just think about that, Pandas. It's been 30 minutes and we're still within the first 5 minute candle. Like we're still in here. It's been 30 minutes. Not moving. We're not doing anything. We're not doing anything here. Untradeable price action. Day after day after day after day. RK says this PMI news made a jumpy. Yeah. We were announcing the news since the stream started, and the news did nothing. It it did nothing. It just made the market even just more booty. Everyday booty. Everyday booty. Like this PA is absolute booty. I am like eight pandas. Let me just tell you something right now. If we don't break the high of this previous candle before breaking the low, I'm gonna just end this stream. Look, pandas, if we don't break this high before we break this low, I'm gonna end the stream. I'm just gonna end it. If we don't break this high before we break this low, I'm gonna end the stream. Because if you look at this, and I asked you, what are the chances we're going to break this high before we break this high? 99. If I asked, if I asked like 100 people, 10,000 people, let's say, are we going to break this high before we break this high? 99.999999999% of people will say yes. 99.9999999 people will say we probably break this high before we break this high. And the fact that we can't do that, if we don't do that, I'm gonna end the stream. If we break this low before we break this high, I'm gonna end the stream. I'm just sick and tired of this. There's just no reason for me to stick around and watch this. Just chop around. It's just no reason for me to even sit here and watch this. If we break this low before we break this high, pandas, I am absolutely ending this stream. I cannot trade days like today. I will not. I absolutely will not. I will just take my negative $480 loss and hope for a better day tomorrow. Simple as that. Oh boy. I'm telling you right now, pandas. If we do not break this high before we break this low, I will end the stream. I will end it. No questions asked. I will simply end it. There's just no way. We're going long here. Real trap. Is 20 EMA gonna be a menace today is a question. 20 EMA gonna be a menace today is the question. It is the question. Is 20 EMA gonna be a menace today is the question. All right, pandas. We broke the high of this candle before breaking the low of this candle. I'm happy. That's all I can ask for at this time. There's nothing more I can really ask for. That's the most I can ask for in an absolute booty price action day like today. Can we just simply break the high of a super strong bull bar? Is it possible? Probably not. I don't have much to lose here. I truly don't have much to lose here. I mean, should we get it? It's not the fact that I don't think we can get up here. It's the fact that I don't think we can get up here without retracing back down too far. Like, I don't know if we're going to get it in this push. I just don't think we have enough juice. I don't know if we have enough fuel in the tank, you know what I mean? Absolute just booty. Booty price action here. Booty, 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 booty. All day booty. I can't. I can't. I pandas like. What are we doing here? Honestly, uh, so painful to watch this absolute booty price action. I mean, we ended up making like how many points off this trade? 21 points, not too shabby. But I mean, 21 points, not too bad. I'll take 21 points, whatever. It's just absolute booty. Like, I truly cannot bear this PA. It's just, oh, pandas. I honestly, what are we doing here? Come on, what is this? I mean, we're trading a Nascraq here. What's the E-mini looking like? E-mini's even worse. Oh my goodness. E-mini's even worse. You think a Nascraq's untradeable? Try the E-mini. Just give the E-mini a try. See how absolute booty it is. My goodness gracious. What is this? Grind to the upside. Oh my gosh. We're based in trading range, right? Big up, big down, big up. And it's hard to go down here. It's hard to short here because you got a gap to fill above. So this vacuum is very like these are opposing forces, right? This vacuum. Bulls want to hit this vacuum here. And yeah, untradeable. Absolutely untradeable here. Whatever, pandas. I can't handle this. Look at this pair bar. It's absolutely folded. It's crazy. Crazy work. This market's doing crazy work. The OIO work. Was there OIO? OIO. OIO. I don't see it. I see a IOI, but not a OIO. Right. Inside, outside, inside breaks to the upside. Makes a one-to-one. Strong bull bars now. You're thinking you fill the gap here, but again, you're top of a trading range, so you got opposing forces here. Opposing forces usually means more chop and just more absolute unbearable price action. It's truly unbearable here. Poison long, perhaps. It's just very hard to tell. 'Cause you got big up, big down. This down breaks this pivot low. So you got like this expanding pattern here. Ultimately, it's just really hard. Really hard to tell. Very hard to tell here. Market's exploding. I mean, I mean, I, I hate to just do it, but what? What are we looking at here? So hard to trade this. So incredibly hard to trade this. Eighth push up. Just go long. Eighth push up. I'll wait for a second entry low. Entry long or bounce off the 20 man trend line. Whichever comes first. Yeah. Doesn't quite touch the 20 man, but good enough for me. As long as we're above the 20 man, I feel safe to extend my stop loss here. High or low. Good news for me. I think the obvious target is to fill the gap here. It's like the obvious target, no? I think I'm going to eat it. I think I have to eat it. I think I have to eat it. You have to eat this. Eat this risk. Can't even time that. So hard to time. So incredibly hard to time that. Ah, not what I was looking for. It's not what I was looking for. There it is. Feel like I'm getting stopped out. But might as well try, right? Might as well try. I feel like I'm getting stopped out, but might as well try. I might as well try. I feel like I'm getting stopped out, but might as well try, no? Just hold. Just hold. Just hold. 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 Man, just hold. Don't get shaken out. Pandas, you gotta learn how to hold. You gotta learn when to hold. Oh boy, am I gonna shaken out here? Hold. I gotta protect these profits here. I gotta protect these profits. It's unfortunate. It had such a deep pullback. Unfortunate, it had such a deep pullback before touching my before touching my goal. Filling the gap here. Unfortunate, but I gotta protect those profits. I gotta protect. You could try again. I could try to go long again, coming up to 20 MA. I could try to go long again here. Jeez Louise. Couldn't hold it. All good. Whatever, pandas. That's just this absolute booty. Hmm. Couldn't. It had like a deep pullback before hitting my profit, and it's the name of the game. Like the pullback was too deep, and I wanted to protect some profits. So second entry low. I'm out. Uh, filling the gap now without me, of course. Why not? I don't know. I don't know what that was about. It obviously wants to fill the gap. Clearly above the 20 MA. My goodness, this is booty price action. We can't fill the gap here. Is absolute booty price action. Actually, booty. Super booty. That's the most booty of booty price action you possibly imagine here. So booty. My goodness here. So booty here. Actually so booty here. How do you miss the gap by like, tell me pandas, how do you miss the gap by less than 4 points on a $25,000 product? How do you miss the gap here? How is that actually possible? How do you miss the gap? Absolutely insane. It's actually insane. Absolutely insane, pandas. We're up 334. I don't care, but like, absolutely insane. How do you miss the gap by less than 4 points? And now you're reversing. Now you're reversing. So booty. So absolute booty here. Such booty price action. Pushing strongly above the 20 MA over here. It's trading range now. Oh boy, this is tough. Second entry long, I'm a buyer, but crazy. That's crazy work. That's crazy work right there. That's crazy work. Absolute crazy work right there. I think I'm just a buyer here. Am I just a buyer here? Kanye fills a gap. It's stupid. So stupid. Like it's such a deep pullback for no reason. Just a deep pullback. Finally fills a gap. It's multiple strong bull bars in a row. This is insane. That's like such a deep pullback here. It's so dumb. So dumb, pandas. I'm sorry. Such unnecessary deep pullback. I just couldn't get it. I was waiting for a second entry long. We never got it. We never got it. So I mean, what can you do? I was being patient for my entry, but never got it. Like I said, opposing forces. Like Peter would be like, if I bought here, Peter would be like, why are you buying at the top of a trading range? Well, because you got a gap to fill above. And Peter would go short here and not telling you when he lost a bunch of money with this move up. Like that's why Peter's so silent, because he probably sold there. I mean, it's hard for me to just to buy here. It is really hard for me to buy here, but uh, I can't. I cannot do it. Can I do it? Big Mama, I cannot do it. I simply cannot. I let the market just play out here. It's a little difficult for me to buy. If anything, I want to go short because of the terrible price action. If anything, I'm gonna go short near here. Don't forget, pandas. All you need to make $1 million a year in 1 year is $200 on average per day. You might think you need a lot of money to make 1 million a year, but the power of 20x accounts, 20 accounts, pandas, the power of 20 accounts makes it so you only need $200 a day. There's literally one scout for 10 points on the Nascraq. If you can manage to do it, 1 million a year. What's the math behind that? Well, 250 trading days in a year times 20 is 500, right? Times 20 counts. Times 200 is 1 million. So that's the math. Simple as that. Sorry, 5,000. We don't quite touch the previous day's high. And we could reverse here. I mean, we could be in a big trading range. Sure, why not? Chances are, most likely, it will test the high, but maybe reverse it down. I'm looking for a second entry long here. Oh, honestly, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I'd rather do a fail second entry long, but beggars can't be choosers here. One, two, three pushes up. Overshoot, maybe leading to undershoot here. Small risk for a second entry long. Bad signal bar though. Still small risk though. Yikes. Okay. Does that mean anything? Nobody knows. Big bounce off. Can I get a second entry long here? And for it to fail? Is it possible? Anything is possible if you believe, pandas. If you believe, anything is possible. Alright, I mean, it's the right area. Sort of the right area for it. Uh, whatever. It's like the risk reward is like amazing here, in my opinion. The risk reward could be like so crazy here. Small risk, but potentially huge move down. Like potentially really big move down. Potentially. We'll see though. Looks like I got bamboozled here. Looks like I got bamboozled. Bamboozled. Yeah, most likely get bamboozled here. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, the risk reward was so good. It didn't even matter if that failed. But the risk reward on that trade is insane. It's like 6 points for like possible like 50-point move. Second entry long here, but we already attempted to go short. Now we got the overshoot into undershoot. Could actually lead it back to a reversal up, continuing the super strong uptrend on the 5-minute chart. I guess. I'll take the second entry short here. That's why you just take the hit and move on. So you just take the hit and move on. Oh, it'll be part of our trend line here. I mean, if it's another good risk, I'll try. But it just feels and looks bullish. Yeah, it just looks and feels bullish. Even if it triggers a second short, I'm looking for a fail second short to go long here to to make to break the previous day's high. H O HOD is what they call it. High. Wait, HOY. The HOY. We're gonna break the HOY high of yesterday. Yeah. Overshoot to undershoot. Staying within our channel here. Feels like I just short. You got a lot of the pieces for this trade to be really good. It's looking bullish. Now it's looking bearish. Whatever. Make a new low. So sick. Most likely looking for new lows. A dumb trade. I need the 20-man as well. Such a bad trade. Couldn't even trigger. Just say on our pause. Up 195. Whatever. I really don't care. I truly don't care. MEQ. This is actually NQ right now. The price action is somewhat decent, right? It's actually a very strong move one direction, so we're gonna try to take advantage of that, but we could be finding ourselves in reversal here. Only problem is that we did already try to find the reversal and it failed. After it failed, now it's come back down. Too hard to too hard to trade that, in my opinion. Then we're gonna test the previous day's high. We never got there. Made a new low. Made a new low. Absolutely made a new low here. Is all we want. Full blown reversal, maybe. One more trade. Only thing is his PAG vessel. Always PA's call. What kind of silly dilly question is that? I'm a sucker. If I lose, I lose. Lower highs, lower lows. Kind of looks like it wants to come to the 20 EMA here and test it. Uh, I'm sorry, Pandas. Just don't copy my trades. Just look away as I take this trade. I simply cannot resist this. Completely overlapping bars in a row. Obviously, dumb trade. Like, so clearly a stupid trade here. Second edge short, coming up 20 EMA and our trend line now. Terrible signal bar, though. Let's trigger a second entry long on a 2500 tick chart. Let's just try. Let's try to be silly here. One last trade. Then we'll end the stream here. Jeez. Jeez Louise. Wow. Sick. Sick price actions. Like absolutely insane. Here's how far are you from mill? I'm about 1% of the way there. I am 1% of the way there, so about 100 more days I'll get there. 100 more days is like 3, 4 months. Like, can you imagine making a million in 3, 4 months? Patience, Panis. Patience. Those who can be patient make the most money. Sorry, let me rephrase. Those who can be patient and smart and be smart make the most money. Patience alone doesn't do anything. But patience with some intelligence, that is a powerful combo. It's not that you don't even need that much intelligence, just a little bit. That was an insane combo right there. Hopefully, Kaida's talking about the Forbidden Jutsu. Um, Big news: CPI, FOMC. Those are your biggest news. Wow, insane price action. Absolutely trash. Now I'm about to end the stream, so we're entering back into absolute trash price action once again. For CPI, look for FOMC. Those are the big ones. FOMC with the press conference though. Notice how we didn't come back to the bottom of the trading range. We're pushing back up. If it pushes back up, this could be a push. It could be a breakout here. Absolute booty. Actually, I'm at 2% there, right? Pretty more or less 1%. You have to have $50,000 in your accounts. $50,000 in across 20 accounts in order to make a million. Ramadan, congrats. Absolute filthy price action going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, super choppy. Nothing you can do here. Just watch. I was looking for a reversal here, Pandas. Trust me, I really was. Couldn't get it though. Couldn't get the big one. And the fact that we couldn't reverse here makes me feel like it's come back up. The fact that we couldn't, like the Bears couldn't reverse it here, makes it feel like we're gonna go back up here. Oh, hi. It's like trading range, double topping here. Actually, not a bad short in my opinion. Not a bad short right here. But I'm gonna use the fact that I know that we didn't come back to the bottom of the trading range as advantage of us if we break out here. It could be a strong push up to the upside. Plus we got magnet, which is the previous day's high. Very strong magnet here. Are you ready? Get your engine started. If we touch this blue line down here, I'm done. Second entry low. Absolute booty price action, but here we go. We're gonna try anyways. Thoughts and prayers. Here we go. I'm getting out. I don't like this. I don't like what I see here. If it was a one fell swoop, be nice, but the fact that it retraced, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. No me gusta. No me gusta. Don't like it one bit, pandas. Oh, we're just chopping around, doing absolutely nothing. Again, absolute booty price action. The fact that we couldn't break out made me just give up. Probably come back to the bottom of this trading range now at this point. Wow, still defending. Still finding support. Another push up. Six push up. The sixth, the sixth, the sixth. It's like for those who can't say six. Imagine you have a lisp and you say the word six. You're like saying sixth, sixth, sixth. Sixth push up. It's the sixth. The sixth. All right, absolutely nothing's happening here. It's absolute booty. I'm about to go short here because this is just ridiculous. I'm about to go short here. Goodness gracious, you kidding me? Not that I don't think you can test the previous day's high. It's just I just don't know in what manner. Very hard to time this. I mean, obviously just buying here, right? Nah, I'm just watching this. I got nothing here. I got nothing like I really care about. Such a bad price. It turned to the absolute chop. Market's chopped. Hey, we tested the previous day's high. Whoopie doo. It's just absolute trash, though. Like to sit through all this nonsense. It's just like, is that really worth it? I don't know. 15 points. Sit through all that trash. Sit through all of that nonsense. Is it worth it? 15 points? I don't know. You tell me. You tell me. Oh, Big Mamas have been failing like last 100 times out of 100 times. So I'm reassessing Big Mamas. Like I don't think I can take them anymore. Whereas the Panda? Panda will come back next week. I have to try here. I have to try. Feels like I got you long. I gotta try. Be in my last trade of the stream. Feels like I got you long here. Such a good signal bar just to go long. It's such a beautiful trade to go long. We already broke trend menu high and hit a resistance. Yep. Yeah. Huge potential here. Monster potential. Getting some profits here. Just in case some wild price action catches me catches me off surprise. Catches me by surprise. Maybe 11 points, whatever. Potentially, pandas. I mean, maybe. Maybe, like, It could, maybe. It might be the monster. It just might be the monster. Or take me out break even, and there we go. That's all good. That's why I protected some profits. It is what it is. I don't know what it is. The 5 minute looks extremely bullish. It looks like sickeningly bullish here, the 5 minute chart. Double top here. Sickeningly bullish here, the 5 minute chart. Mm-hmm. Dun, 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 dun. Add to the bone. Dun, 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 dun. Interesting. What do we do here? What do we do here now? La da da. La da 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 da. Come quick, see. Hail Mary. Okay. Okay. Trash. More trash. But the 5 minute looks very bullish. So many bull bars. It's just unstoppable. It's starting to turn to like a spike in channel type situation. But still, I think it is very bullish here. We'll see though. I gotta try. I don't even care. And if this doesn't work, pandas, then we'll end the stream. I'll see you tomorrow. Simple as that. So easy. Which was that the confirmation that the bears are waiting for to sell all at once? Eh, of course. Of course it would happen here. Of course. And I can't bear to take more pain in this, so I cannot even do what I'm supposed to do, which is to buy more at the bottom here. Yeah, we'll take the hit, unfortunately. And like we're gonna take the hit at the worst place possible because it's probably where it's gonna bounce. 400 now down 6,360 something. I mean, that's the beauty of the market. That's the beauty of the choppy day. It's just gonna short there. I don't know why I still believe in Big Mama. Should not have done that. I will try trading range though. I will try to trade this as a trading range here. Could be a big mistake. Looks like a big mistake. The lower high. I mean, what a beautiful trade to go short. Everyone knew to go short there. I might have been the one person that went long. Jeez Louise. Up 400, down 600. What we do? What did he do? Such a good short to go short here as well. That's the big short. Not this one. This was the big one. Do I even try to trade this as if it's a trading range? Or do I treat this as a downtrend now? I feel like I treat this as a downtrend. Ah, jeez Louise. I don't know why I'm still trading. Maybe we're gonna end the stream here. Just take the hit. Move on. Trade again tomorrow. No reason to trade more than this because it's absolute trash. Uh, Everyone and their mamas knew to go short there. Jeez. Everyone and their mamas knew to go short there. Nah, we're not gonna find another trade for a long time. Would I try to go long? Could. I don't see why I would, but I could. Nah, I think I'm just into here. I just, I can't trade this anymore. It's just so painful to watch this absolute trash price action go back and forth. Mm. All right, thoughts on Paris, Panis? Bounced right back up. Rejected off that price so quick. So incredibly quick. No way. No way. Rejected off that price so incredibly quick. Hmm. I wanted to go short here, but the moment it triggered, it just bounced back up, and I was like, usually when that happens, it's a bad thing. Usually when that happens, it's a bad thing. Usually. Really bad, usually. Hmm. That's confusing. Honestly, very confusing, very difficult. Okay. 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 This has like price action, like trading range price action written all over it. It's just so undeniable. Uh, Therefore I cannot go short here. Mm-hmm. 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 It's so apparently a trading range. I cannot go short here. It's so apparent a trading range. Simply cannot go short. I just cannot do it. All other circumstances, I probably would go short here. Hmm. I'm eager to go long. Who is with me? Who else is eager to go long here? Bottom of a trading range. Just start building up a position here slowly. Mm, mm, mm. Crazy, 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 crazy. What is going on? It's such a good second to short. I simply cannot do it. The fact we are at bottom of trading range. I simply cannot do it for that one single fact. And here we go. Uh-oh. SpaghettiOs. I simply will take the hit here. Come back down. I simply will take the hit here. It is playing so many tricks on me, this market. It's playing too many tricks on me. Uh, I'm done hiding now. I'm shining. Okay. Sayonara. We lost this trade. At a very high percentage, we lost this trade at this moment. The fact that we haven't broken out already makes me feel like this is a failed trap here. It's a trap that failed. I could try to trap the traders, but they ended up trapping me. Looking for a new low. It's just too hard. Like you cannot take the short, nor can you take the long. You get busted on both sides on this trade. And it's the toughness of a trading range price action. That's why these are tough. But I gotta try here. Feels like I just short bottom trading range. Looking to get to the high, the top of the trading range, but will we get there? Probably not. We get there? Probably not. Pandas can dream. Pandas can dream. Pandas can dream. Pandas can dream. Pandas? Pandas? Wait, pandas? Pandas can dream? Pandas, wait. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait. Pandas can dream? Pandas can dream? Pandas can dream? Oh, do not stop me out. Strong pull bar ending on its high, no follow through is absolutely vicious. Goodness gracious, absolutely vicious. Do I have to hold? Do I have to hold the entire risk for the entire trade? What? What is happening? No! Oh! Blah! Blah! Why? Why? It looked so promising. It looked so promising. Pandas. It gave me a glimmer of hope, and it simply stripped it away. Diabolical, man. If this pushes up now, it's just simply it is what it is. What can you do about it? If this pushes up now, then what can you do about it? It's not what you can do. Like a strong bull bar and no follow through. I'm not like expecting this to keep flying. We're dead in the water. Not that I'm gonna re-enter this trade, especially now it looks like this. Wow. I mean, what can you do? I wasn't willing to hold the risk, and for those who were willing to hold the risk are getting paid now. I wasn't willing to hold the risk. No, sir, doodly doo Bob. No, sirree, not over here. I'm not a risk holder. I can let go of my risk. If I take my risk off, I do it as soon as possible. But on a day like today, it is not the day for it. It ends up probably gonna, it's probably gonna end up hitting my target here, which is the top of the trading range. Very cool. Very cool stuff. Fantastic. Jeez. Mm-hmm. Very cool. That's very cool. My gosh. My goodness. That's vile. That's just absolutely vile. Well, I mean, goes to my target. gonna get to my target without me, and it is what it is. Jeez Louise, what can you do? Why do I hold so much risk on this trade? So annoying. This price action is absolutely vile. I mean, I'm done after this. You know what? You know what, Pandas? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take Big Mama one more time. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take Big Mama one more time, and we're done for today. Let's try Big Mama one more time, just for kicks and giggles, just for old time's sake. You know what I mean? Just for old time's sake. We'll try Big Mama one more time. Yeah. Big Mama for old time's sake, easy peasy. Second attempt on Big Mama works out. That's actually breaking out. Getting a nasty expanding pattern here. So much going on. It's disgusting. So much going on here. It's disgusting, to be honest. I had this long and then I dropped it. Oh. That's just for 10 points. $400 gain. Two contracts. There's your 1-to-1 here. The most obvious reversal spot here off a wedge. Hmm. I still don't know a good time to trade wedges. Typically, you don't trade wedge when it's like counter trend. It's just silly long, no? Is that not a silly long trade to take? That has to be a silly long trade to take, in my opinion. That has to be silly long. It cannot be a good long to take right there. That cannot be a good long. In what world is that a good long trade? In what world is this a good long to take? Tell me, what world is that a good long? I don't know. Okay. Would be a bull flag at resistance? That's crazy work if you go short here. That's crazy work if you go short here. It's hard both ways, right? It's hard to go short, hard to go long. At least I think it is. I'm about to end it here. I mean, we're down to 45, whatever. It really doesn't matter. This price action is just so booty. Even like on the trending days, booty. That's how you know it's so bad. Deep pullbacks like this, creating expanding patterns in the middle of an uptrend. Why? Just why? So unnecessary. And to me, it just means that most likely it's gonna start trading range again. Wow. Whatever. Whatever. Untradeable. Going completely sideways again. It is hitting, a wedge. It's making a wedge. What's happening? What is this, Panis? What nonsense is this? I'm not trading this. I'm just letting this. I'm watching this just do nothing. It's so booty. So booty, 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 booty. Hmm. Hmm. We're done. Again, it's like I wouldn't mind trading this. It's just not tradable. Like being down 245, I'm not even upset about that. It's just the fact that we are just absolute trash, man. Can't handle this. Um, Standing pattern here is crazy. Crazy work. What are we actually looking at here? Ten-point candle. My panda's still low. That's right. You can touch all-time highs, of course. Eventually it will. Eventually it will. What? I just need you guys to see what I'm looking at here. Like, what are we looking at? What is this nonsense? All right. I think I'm done. Getting tired. It's pointless. No opportunity here, and honestly, probably only gonna lose money trading this trash. Hmm. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna trade this actually. All right. Am I going long here? Am I just gonna go long here? It actually doesn't make any sense. Even if I tried, I couldn't get in that trade. I mean, I did try. Even when I did try, I couldn't get in that trade. So astronomically painful to watch. I'm done. Like this is untradeable. How do I do this to myself, Pandas? That's the question. Why do I do this to myself? That is the actual real question. Wha- I mean, it's hard for me to go long when I know there's like this massive wedge here. It's hard for me to go long when I know this massive wedge is here. But that was the move, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. You're making not even 10 points. It's crazy work. That's crazy work. Can't even make 10 points. What am I looking at? This is untradeable. I'm sorry. It just is untradeable. Long? All right, I'm done. I can't. I cannot. I'm done. I'm gonna end this at 11. Oh, sorry, at 12. My Pandas were ending. They were down 245. I mean, who cares? Pandas, have an amazing rest of your day of trading. This is just absolute booty for me. I cannot trade this. It is just super grindy, super uh slow, super low EV type trading. So yeah, have fun. Have fun for anyone enjoying trading in price action like this. But Pandas, with that being said, as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.